Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you the restoration pictures of a 71 through 76 GM full-size power split bench unit. The process starts with disassembly and inspection of all parts. All items are thoroughly cleaned and any worn parts replaced. The tracks are then media blasted, polished, and the reassembling process begins. New gliders are installed on the track feet to ensure slop-free operation. The freshly greased actuator motors are installed on the tracks, and then it's on to the drive assembly. The transmission housing is polished and the power motor cleaned and tested before assembly. All final assembled units are bench tested for smooth operation and can be wired for either driver or passenger side. Available for these units are new wire harnesses, assembled in-house, and all have new Bosch-style relays installed. Please like and subscribe for more restoration videos.